Hey, it's Mr. Peace. I'm here at Sierra Vista Elementary School, home of the Rams, inside the cafeteria right now, where they stand for respectful, accountable, motivated self-discipline, right? The Rams acronym. And this is in Madera, California, part of the Madera Unified School District. This is my second time now to their campus, and just an amazing day. Got to share my heart with grades 1st through 6th and 3 separate assemblies right in here, as well as a parent program. But the student assemblies focused on what you see on the screen up here, diversity and the need for human kindness, also on the front of my shirt, right? The peace sign inside the heart where peace has to begin, but also to people, because kindness isn't just about showing it to ourselves, we have to show it to others as well. And it's so important that we do that, because if we say something kind, do something kind towards one person or a group of people, it may not just affect those people or that individual, it could, affect others that see or witness that act of kindness, right? And even if they hear that kind word too, it might change their heart in a positive way, potentially forever. And the students really got that, right? They came up to me even after some of the assemblies and, just really shared their heart with me, but also said, you're changing the world and that I can do anything if I show kindness. And I said, yeah, that's true. And because one act of kindness is how we start to change this world. It can start spiraling, snowballing, and just keep growing and growing and growing, right? Because once that person receives it in their heart, now they want to go help someone else. And when we're talking about diversity, that means our differences, right? Could be different on the outside, could be different on the inside. We have to respect and appreciate, what is on the outer side of anyone, as well as in the inner part. And once we do that, have this appreciation of diversity, we can start showing and start really demonstrating unconditional love. And that's love without any conditions, right? So if somebody's taller than us, shorter, wider, skinnier, different skin color than us, if they wear glasses or not, if they're disabled or not, if they look different than us, right, we can still show kindness. And the fact that we are all different is awesome, because if we were all the same, that'd be very boring, right? So diversity is what makes schools like this so special, right? So beautiful all across this world. And I think the students really took that to heart. They really understood the impact of our actions. And that kind of led into the parent program for the evening, which was on positivity being our best self, right? That we're always trying to have a positive outlook and mentality in every part of our life and every area of our life, and with everyone in our life, right? So that hopefully we can really just maintain this positive outlook, even though things will get tough. Those are opportunities to make us stronger, right? We still keep our head up, even when the storms come, whether it's actually literally outside, but today's a beautiful day, positive, so easier to be positive today. But on days when it's not, or there's a storm going on in our hearts, we know that we always have a choice, right? To either overcome those negative and limiting beliefs and replace it with positivity, right? Because whatever you tell your brain and your heart, it's going to believe. We don't want to tell it something negative. We want to tell it something positive, right? And when we're thinking about, the opposite of success, so many people think that it's failure, but it's not. It's actually quitting or giving up. So if we can really try to just keep pushing. If we make a mistake, we're not a mistake. If we fail, we're not a failure, right? And understand that all we have to do is keep giving our effort in every aspect of life, right? That true excellence is not about always being the best. It's just doing your best, right? We have the effort, not always the outcome, but if we give that effort, right? If we plant those positive thoughts in here and in here, we're usually going to get positive results in our life. So again, just heart touching the entire day. So great to be back here at Sierra Vista. Hope to see you all again in the near future. Until then, though, and as always, have a great rest of the school year. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button you'll see pop up on the screen. You can also check out this playlist below for some additional motivation. And feel free to visit my website by clicking on the peace sign on your phone, tablet, wherever you're watching this video, to track my journey across this country as I continue to heal America's heart, one school at a time. Peace.